Hi, Pat Gillespie here at J.H. Barkau Sons, Freeport, Illinois. And this is my internet special pick of the week. This is a 2015 Chevrolet Spark. It's an LT, so it's a well-featured car. Approximately 30 miles to the gallon city, 39 miles to the gallon highway. It also comes with the remainder of the 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Being an LT, this is a well-featured car. Power windows and locks. Tilt and cruise. Radio controls. And a button for the Bluetooth. Also has the MyLink touchscreen. Very easy to use. Easy to link your phone. Does have XM. Air conditioning, of course. And one of the best things about this car is the price. 2015 for $10,952. A typical financing scenario would be no money down, 72 months, and the payment under $190. If you'd like to take a test drive in this car and talk about financing or features, just give me a call at the Freeport location, 815-232-5017. Thanks, and have a great day.